In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create indicator templates on TradingView. Whether you're a trading enthusiast or a pro, mastering this feature can significantly enhance your trading strategies by allowing you to streamline your chart analysis. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be comfortable creating and using indicator templates to their fullest potential. First off, ensure you're logged into your TradingView account. If you're not already there, navigate to the chart section. This is where all the magic begins. It's the central hub for all your technical analysis and charting needs. Once you're on the chart page, you'll notice a toolbar above the chart. This is your gateway to a host of features. Here, you want to direct your attention to the Indicators button. It usually looks like a drop-down menu or an icon that represents market indicators. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a window displaying a comprehensive list of available indicators. Now, you might be wondering how to customize this to best fit your needs. TradingView allows you to write your own scripts to create custom indicators. This might sound a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. In that window where you found the list of indicators, you will also see an option labeled Create Your First Script Now. Clicking on this will bring up a new window where you can start writing your script using PineScript, TradingView's unique scripting language. It's a powerful tool that lets you define exactly what you see on your charts. You might already have a script in mind, or perhaps want to experiment with a simple feature. Either way, enter your script into the provided text field. This scripting capability is great for individuals who have a firm grasp of technical indicators and want to create personalized charts. Take your time to review what you've entered. It doesn't need to be complex when you're just starting out. Remember, the goal is to enhance your trading experience and provide a layout that makes trading more intuitive for you. Once you are satisfied with your script, the final step of this foundational journey is to share it with others or save it for your personal use. Look for the button that says Publish Script. Clicking on this will make your custom indicator available in the TradingView community. This can be a great way to receive feedback or simply to ensure that your custom settings are accessible from any device as long as you're signed into your account. And there you have it, your custom indicator template is all set up and ready to use. This process of creating and publishing your script in TradingView not only helps in customizing your charts, but also opens up a world of possibilities as you fine-tune your trading strategies. Take some time to explore different indicators and adjust your templates as needed. Enjoy diving deeper into charting with TradingView's robust tools at your disposal. Until next time, happy trading.